Hi guys, it's Matt with Silderman Solutions. Hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to talk about the number one SEO mistake that web designers make. And I'm probably going to get some people hating on me after this one and make some enemies, but I see it all the time. I probably shouldn't even tell you because I get a lot of business just fixing these issues. So what happens? What is the problem? Well, uh, as a web designer, they get brought in to work on let's say a $20,000 website, and they get so excited about delivering a great website for the customer, right? And so they go through the user profiles, and then they set up the user journeys, and they create a terrific, beautiful website with a great user experience. Problem is, they're not thinking about the user experience uh, from coming from other websites, and so that's kind of where the SEO comes into play. So when you create a new website, sometimes you're changing the URL, right, which is the website address. So if we're looking up here, this is an example of the URL. And so if you have changed the name of the about page from about to, let's say, about us or about dash us, that's a different web page. And so you need to make sure that you set up redirects to the new web page. If the company has gone to great lengths, or the content marketing expert at that company has gone to great lengths to create an amazing resource for people, and it's so good that people have linked to it, right? And there's traffic coming from other websites. If you rename that page, those links are now broken. The traffic is not going to go anywhere. And over time, all the years that they had the older website, they spent time building up reputation in Google's mind and building up reputation elsewhere. So if you don't do the redirects, you lose that opportunity at traffic, you lose that opportunity at ranking and reputation. And so some of you are like, I know how to do this. This is not a big deal. If you don't, stick around because I've got some easy tips for you. Okay. So number one is just keep track before you do the redesign. Just take a look at the sitemap and you can see all the pages that you might need to redirect. Now, if that seems a little too technical for you, one of the easy things you can do is download a free tool called Screaming Frog. And all you have to do is pop your URL in here and press start, and then it'll give you a pretty full list of pages that you need to keep track of and to redirect. Now, yeah, it can get pretty technical as to how many you need to. For the beginners, I would say just redirect all of them. Err on the side of caution in that sense. As you go through and you pick through, you'll notice some ones that you don't need to. You can also technically compare it against your traffic to see which ones are your most important ones. And then, if you're using a WordPress site, I'd recommend this plugin. It's nice, easy, it's free. It's called redirection.me. And I don't even need to show you how to use it because it's so simple to use. Once you install this plugin, you're good to go. The directions on there are very simple. You just type in the old URL, you type in the new one, and you're all set. All right, guys. So like I said, I probably shouldn't have told you because I get called in a lot to clean up messes of where, just a straight up web designer has come in and redone the website, but did not really understand SEO. At the next video, I'll give you a second tip for ways that I've seen that just straight up web designers, unfortunately, have really hurt businesses with website redesigns. All right, so that's the next video. So make sure you tune in and subscribe. I should start asking people to subscribe. I've been pretty bad about that. So, all right, guys, I hope to see you next time. Take care.